how to create and set up a Robinhood account. So all you need to do is to open your app store and now search for Robinhood and simply download this app, Robinhood stock token. Once it's downloaded, make sure to not create an account through the app, but create an account through the referral code from someone. I got mine here and I can share it to you in this video description. So if you get that referral link, you will open this website. It says get 30 euro in crypto, and all you have to do is to enter here your email address and then click on sign up, and it will guide you to open the Robinhood app. Here click continue, and we have to create our account. So enter here where you live, enter here your email address. Now you have to choose your password, enter here your legal name. Now you have to tell them about yourself. So enter here your phone number, enter here your date of birth, what country were you born in, enter here the city, your residential address, select here your citizenship and your tax identification number. Do you have a TIN from another country? I don't. They need to know if you are a United States person, so I'm not. Now select if you want to claim US tax 380. In my country we got this, so we will pay less taxes, for example, from dividends. So for my country it's yes, so I'm gonna click yes. And now you have to answer a few questions about investing. What's your primary reason for opening an account? What is your main source of money? I'm gonna select savings or personal income. How much money do you plan to invest each year? Less than 10 grand. How much do you plan to deposit each month? Less than 10 grand. What is the current total value of your cash and investments? I can see none of your business option, so I'm gonna select one of these. What is your employment status? I'm self-employed. Select here your job. They will ask you if you are a politically exposed person, and you have to review your agreements. Scroll down and click agree and accept. Again, scroll down, make sure to read all these documents and then click agree and accept. After you read these documents, here you have to mark that you certified that you are acting on your behalf and you certified that all information provided are correct. And now you have to verify your identity. So you have two options. You can verify ID instantly or verify ID manually, but it will take up to 10 days. So I'm gonna verify my ID instantly. Now choose from three options. I'm gonna select National Identity Card and scan your ID. Now they are uploading your ID and it may take a few seconds, so wait. And the photo was accepted and the application now is in a review, but it should be pretty soon. So now my application was accepted, and if you want to get that 30 euro of crypto, you have to deposit 20 euros. So here is the option, and deposit money through SEPA bank transferred. Now we want to deposit money to this IBAN. Once it's done, you will get that 30 euro free cash of crypto. But you have to log in through that referral code. So that's basically how you can set up and create a Robinhood account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.